For all the latest from the world of motoring, hit that subscribe button and stay connected.
Mahindra is just about to officially launch the new updated Mojo for 2019, and we bring you an exclusive look at this new machine. The Mahindra MOJO 300 was always in a league of its own, and it's a robust and well-made machine. First and foremost, we finally get ABS on this machine, and it's a dual-channel setup. But interestingly, while we were expecting only the ABS update, Mahindra has gone ahead and reworked on the Mojo, and it's now a mixed package between the XT and the later released UT version. Two key things that will be missed are the USD forks at the front and the dual exhaust system. The Mojo 300 ABS now has telescopic forks with braces for additional stability. The single silencer now sits higher, which should make way for better lean angles and ground clearance. Continuing to talk about the handling, the Mojo 300 ABS also has a revised steeper rake angle that should allow for easier maneuverability across various conditions. Another thing that is all new on the 2019 Mahindra Mojo is the bi-brake braking system. Both the front and the back run these with a 320mm disc at the front and a 240mm disc at the rear. The stock tyres are now the Pirelli Angel CT1s, and they have a good reputation for tons of grip. The engine, however, remains pretty much the same, and it's a 294.72cc fuel injected and liquid cooled one with DOHC that produces a healthy torque of 28 Nm at 5500 rpm. The huge 21 litre of tank capacity also remains the same. In short, like we said earlier, Mahindra has quite literally mixed the XT and the UT version, and it looks to be a good package. We can also confirm that it has been priced at Rs 1.88 lakh ex-showroom. Do let us know what you think about the new 2019 Mojo 300 ABS in a comment below, and do subscribe for the latest from the motoring world.